Let's replace the engine air filter on a 2008 VW Rabbit. First, remove the air intake housing from the grille of the car. That housing has a lid that's just snapped on either side, and then the housing itself is also snapped into place, one on either side. Next, remove the mass airflow sensor. Just pry up gently on the connector clip and pull on the plug until it releases. Next, remove the air intake tube hose clamp, get a pliers, squeeze that thing all the way down and shimmy it back. Once it's shimmied back, pull that air intake hose off of the mass airflow sensor housing. Now we can remove the engine cover complete with engine air filter housing. That cover is held into place by 4 rubber grommets, which can be a challenge to remove. If they're old, they get a little bit dry and sticky, so take your time. Feel free to rock it back and forth. You can see me struggling a little bit with the back left corner here, and as soon as I lift it up and rock it around, it pulls off easily. Flipping that engine cover upside down reveals the engine filter housing, which is held into place by 5 screws. Let's back those screws out, and that should free up the engine filter housing to be removed. Just lift up, but be careful, there are still 4 clips in the back that it's hinged on, so take care to sort of lift up and then push backwards to get that housing off. And with the housing off, we can remove our old, very dirty air filter. Sheesh, that's embarrassing. And replace it with a nice new clean one. Okay guys, putting everything back together is the reverse of all the steps we just took, so I'm going to go by real quick here. Let's put that air filter housing back on the engine cover, hinge side first. Make sure everything looks nice and snug, that air filter is aligned properly, and once you've confirmed that, go ahead and tighten everything back up with your 5 screws. Now, if you struggled at all getting that engine cover off, now would be a good time to lube up the grommets with some silicone. So do that and flip the engine cover over, eyeball up where those grommets are, and snap it back into place. Snap the air intake housing and its lid back to the grille. Reconnect and clamp the air intake tube. And reconnect your mass airflow sensor.